What is my favorite bird? Of mine.
Peacock.
Yes. And then we go to the outline. In the outline, three parts is appearance, food and special thing. In the appearance, have wings. They don't have wings, and they have a long tail with many colorful. They tail long about 1.4 to 1.6 meters. They had a small and short yellow beak. They had a long leg with blue neck. And then we go to food. They eat rice and corn. They can live about 20 years, and with the big body, they have 60% is feather. We talk about egg, like you can see in this picture. The chicken egg times small than peacock egg. Their tail can attractive and scare the enemy. Like I know, peacock come to two countries, is China and India. I know two popular peacock is Indian peacock and Congo peacock. Before it had many peacock, but but now they don't have many because their feather can do a lot of things, so we need to protect them.